ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, anything that involves tampering with the fire alarm, vandalism, and pulling it for fun is not acceptable for any reason. So never do that to fire alarms in public buildings. What do I mean by don't vandalize the fire alarm? Is if the fire alarm is a EST Genesis, never cross out the image of the running man escaping from the fire, and never take that image off of the fire alarm. Never paint the fire alarm. Never draw pictures on the fire alarm, and never write on the fire alarm. And here comes never destroy the fire alarm. Never smash the fire alarm. Now, here's another thing you should never do to the fire alarm. Never screw it or unscrew it or take it off the wall. Never take the strobe off of it. Never take the horn off of it. Never disable the horn or the strobe on it. Never adjust the volume, the pattern, the candela, or tone on it. Never cut power to it. That is removing and disabling it. And another thing when it comes to vandalizing the fire alarm is taking off the fire lettering and the logo. Never do this. That is also considered vandalism. Also, never take the candela sticker off of the strobe of the fire alarm. That is considered vandalism. You don't do that. You don't vandalize it, you don't pull it for fun, and you don't destroy it. These things are unacceptable. You don't vandalize it, you don't disable it, you don't pull it for fun, and you don't destroy it. Vandalizing. Okay, here are the things you should never ever do to fire alarms in public buildings. Never pull, vandalize, disable, or destroy fire alarms in public buildings. And only pull fire alarms in public buildings if there is a real fire or if you have permission to. But other than that, do not pull fire alarms. Never do anything else to it. To recap, never pull, vandalize, disable, or destroy fire alarms. Never pull, vandalize, disable, or destroy the fire alarm.